In the sleepy town of Willowbrook, nestled between mist-covered hills and ancient forests, there stood an old, forgotten mansion known as Blackwood Manor. It was a place shrouded in mystery and whispered tales of ghostly apparitions that wandered its halls. One stormy evening, as the rain poured down in sheets and thunder rumbled in the distance, a young girl named Emily found herself seeking shelter from the tempest. She had been walking home from school when the storm had suddenly descended upon the town, catching her off guard and leaving her drenched to the bone. With no umbrella to shield her from the downpour, Emily sought refuge beneath the canopy of trees that lined the path to Blackwood Manor. Ignoring the warnings of the townsfolk, who spoke of the mansion's haunted past, she pushed open the creaking gate and stepped onto the overgrown path that led to the front door. As she approached the mansion, Emily couldn't help but feel a sense of unease creeping over her. The air was heavy with the scent of damp earth and decaying leaves, and the sound of her footsteps echoed ominously in the stillness of the night. But despite her misgivings, Emily pressed on, her curiosity outweighing her fear. She reached the front door of the mansion and pushed it open, stepping into the darkened foyer with trepidation. Suddenly, a gust of wind swept through the open doorway, sending a tattered umbrella tumbling across the floor. Emily gasped in surprise as she caught sight of the umbrella, its fabric torn and tattered, its handle adorned with intricate carvings of swirling patterns. As she reached out to pick it up, Emily felt a chill run down her spine. There was something about the umbrella that sent shivers down her spine, something otherworldly and unsettling. But before she could retreat, Emily heard a soft whispering voice echoing through the darkness. "Take me with you," it whispered, its words barely audible above the howling. With the ghost umbrella in hand, Emily ventured deeper into the mansion, her heart pounding with excitement and fear. But as she explored its shadowy corridors and hidden chambers, she couldn't shake the feeling that she was being watched, that there were unseen eyes following her every move. Suddenly, Emily heard a blood-curdling scream echoing through the halls, sending her heart racing with terror. Without hesitation, she clutched the ghost umbrella tightly and raced towards the source of the sound, determined to uncover the truth behind the mansion's haunted past. As she reached the end of a long, dimly lit hallway, Emily stumbled upon a hidden chamber concealed behind a tapestry. And there, huddled in the darkness, she found the source of the scream. A young girl, pale and trembling, her eyes wide with fear. With the help of the ghost umbrella, Emily guided the girl to safety, shielding her from the dangers that lurked within the mansion's walls. And as they emerged into the stormy night, the ghost umbrella glowing softly in the darkness, Emily knew that she had unlocked the secrets of Blackwood Manor and uncovered the truth behind its haunted past. From that day forth, Emily kept the ghost umbrella close at hand, using its otherworldly powers to protect those in need and guide them through the darkest of nights. And though the mansion remained shrouded in mystery, its secrets hidden within its crumbling walls, Emily knew that she had found something truly remarkable. A ghostly companion to accompany her on her journey through life's many adventures.